Casey Lee, so I'm the Director of IT Security for the enterprise side. I work for National Oilwell Varco. So currently we have about 36 to 38,000 total employees, but we do have close to 28,000 computer users. I mean, the business is going, right? We start slow, but then it's like, okay, how do we do this right? And then we talk about zero trust, that type of things. It's like, we have to innovate. We really need to see users when they are outside the network, not just when they are inside. And so, the whole paradigm shift, right, where the user, most of remote access users outside of the networks, it's like, okay, that's one of the big driver technically. We have about 7,500 different applications over the last 14 days that's being discovered by ZPA connectors. Of those 7,500, 3,400 of them are actively used by user when they are outside of the networks. And just to give you some more perspective on the users, we have totally about 10,000 users over the last 14 days that actually did connect to the ZPA. NOV, over the last 15 plus years, we have almost 300 plus M&As, right, activities. And for IT-wise, it's always the challenge when we have a short period of time to integrate and migrate these activities, M&A activities. Instead of trying to kind of create a Citrix for these users to connect to the environment and then go to this internal registration site to register their second factor tokens. We just expose this through the ZPA, right? Through the ZPA clientless access, and that works phenomenal. We always say you cannot attack what you cannot see. That's actually really jive with us, right? So that's what the whole zero trust is about. First is the user and device where you do whole IAM, trust but verify. Then second, you really take away the applications, the internal network space, right? So once you take that away, there's nothing you can do with it. More security control, more different technology doesn't mean it's better. You really simplify is the key. And so for us, if anything else, is that because we roll out the proxy and then we roll it out to entire company, we roll out the agents, and after we have that thing going and then just doing the ZPA on top of that, it makes the whole transitioning, kind of seamless. So now I have one new avenue to say, based on the use case, if this is only for internal, then I can expose it out through ZPA, right? And save us the cost to implement, WAF, to get some sort of DDoS in place, some security component that we have to be worried about. Zscaler rock, yeah.